So it is written as 3 here and -5 here. Am I right? That's how it is written. Which means always remember, ये जो ऊपर वाला part होता है, this is always about the x and this is always about the y. Okay? Which means अगर triangle A, translation means it's always movement. X में movement का मतलब है, what is the x axis? Can you tell me? The sleeping line?
Yeah,
the sleeping line. And what is the y axis? The standing line.
Standing line.
Right? अब आपको ये ध्यान रखना है, when it says this, पहले तो ये लिख लिया आपने कि इसमें x का मतलब क्या हुआ?
3.
x का मतलब 3 and y का मतलब this. Okay? When it says, ये clear है? Not the 3. All right? Let's start with -5. Y का movement मतलब, y movement मतलब you can move either up or you can move down.
Yeah.
Either up or it is moving down. Am I right?
Yeah.
So which means translation means you are moving things either up, down, or
but it would only be down because of the minus.
So, because of the minus, it is down, and अगर ये plus होता तो it is up. Plus
and
is
3
up.
would be on the right side, right?
अभी हाँ, मैं x पे बाद में आती हूँ because x में थोड़ा change करना पड़ता है. I'll tell you what it means. So y minus is down. ठीक है? Now see, you're moving left. So इसमें क्या होता है? You're moving towards left whenever. So you have to have a positive here. And when you move towards right, it has to have a negative. ये उल्टा होता है. Okay?
It's fine.
It's like that because the movement, I'll show you why. But as of now, just remember this.
Okay.
As of now, इतना याद रखो कि अगर positive है तो you move towards left और negative है तो you move towards right. Okay?
So for up and down, it's
up and down no change, but yes. So अगर मेरे coordinates हैं, my coordinates are say we have to move the triangle, right? Triangle को translate करना है, triangle A को, and triangle A के coordinates क्या थे? 2,3, 3,3 and 2,5, right? ये थे ना coordinates 2,3, 2,3, then it was 3,3 and क्या था एक और? 3,3 and 2,5 and 2,5. So which means it has to go. I'm talking about this one. So the translation is how much? 3 and -5. So your answer will be -5 का मतलब क्या हुआ? 3. So 2 में हम लोग माइनस करेंगे 3 and -5 में हम लोग -5 में नहीं -3 में 3 में we'll do a -5. What is the answer?
-1 and -2.
This is -1 and -2. Okay. Now this one, second one, translation by 3, -5.
Again the minus sign, right? So
sorry, you wait. I just one thing. We are going to. I'll just write here 2 plus with the sign. We are not. I'm taking this as it is. Add करना होता है, ठीक है? -5. 3 plus -5. 3 plus -5. Sorry. So the answer would be 5 and -2. Okay?
Yeah, so there's no minus for 3.
अब वो माइनस होगा, वो मैं बताऊंगी वो कैसे होता है, ठीक है? वो कैसे हो, कहाँ होगा, वो उसको अप्लाई करना. अभी तो सिर्फ ट्रांसलेट करना है. I'll tell you. वो जैसे आएगा क्वेश्चन, I'll tell you what it means. Translate this other one by 3, -5 again. So what would be the answer?
3 plus 3.
3 plus 3
upon,
and
3 plus -5.
कितना आया? 6 and -2, right?
6 plus 3 is 6 and yeah.
So the new ये translated value है. फिर यहाँ पे 3 and -5. So the next point would be
2 plus 3
is 5 and
then 5 minus 5 plus -5.
5 and 0, right?
0.
So the coordinates, new coordinates after translation are 5 -2. This is 6 and -2 and 5,
5 comma 0.
Is that clear? ये जो पॉजिटिव
Yeah.
एंड नेगेटिव का मतलब है, दिस आई विल एक्सप्लेन टू यू लेटर. वो जब हम ये बनाते हैं ना, दिस वेक्टर फॉर्म जब बनाते हैं उसमें आता है. तो कभी कोई क्वेश्चन आएगा तो मैं उसको समझाऊंगी कैसे करना है. So then it says describe fully the transformation that maps triangle A onto B. So from A to B, this is what kind of transformation is it? It's called enlargement. Because if you can see that the A to B, the triangle is increasing in size, right? So you will write enlargement. What is the word? Enlargement. And साथ में you have to write by how much. Enlargement by how much. So if you see, ये जो साइड था वो 1 2 था, अभी कितना हो गया 1 2 3 4 5 6. तो कितना हुआ ये -2 and 6. This was 2 blocks, now it is 6 blocks. तो कितना टाइम्स बढ़ गया ये?
6 minus 2, right?
नहीं. I'm saying enlargement is multiplication. My size was this much. It was now earlier 2 blocks. Now it is 6 blocks. तो कितने का enlargement हो गया? इसका मतलब multiplied by 3 हुआ है, right? So you will say enlargement by
3.
A scale factor of 3. ठीक है? यही अगर मैं एक दूसरा फिगर यहां बना देती ऐसा, तो ये क्या होता? This is also called, ये C होता, सपोज मान लो 2 blocks. This was 2 blocks reduced to only one
block.
तो मैं क्या बोलूं इसको? It's a
enlargement
by a scale factor of 1/2. Half.
How is that enlargement?
It's called as बड़ा करो या छोटा करो, वो enlargement ही कहलाएगा. लेकिन scale factor is what you will have to mention. Half. Scale factor कितना होगा? Half. That means you're actually dividing, you're reducing the size.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's still called enlargement. Is that clear? Next doubt बताओ कायरा जल्दी से. कायरा?
Yeah, I'm checking.
Probability वाला क्वेश्चन हो गया था?
No, 6B.
Probability is done. Fourth question.
Yeah, I could do that.
ठीक है. I'll explain this later then. Trisha, I'll just explain that later. Huh?
Probability is a possibility type of thing. Right?
Possibility वाला question, yes.
Yeah, that I could do.
Which question now you're saying? Kaira, unmute and say na. Which question?
I said 6B.
6B. This one?
Yeah.
Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is a cuboid. AB is equal to 8. BC is equal to AB is equal to 8. BC is equal to 5 and CG. So AB, BC and CG. These are all given. Work out the volume of the cuboid. Ivana has a pencil of length 13 centimeter. Does the pencil fit in completely inside the cuboid? Show how you decide. 13 centimeter है, तो if I keep the pencil in this way, it won't fit because ये वाली length कितनी है? How much is this length? It is just 8. If I keep my pencil like this,
no, it will be smaller.
If I keep my pencil like this,
I don't think so because that is 11 and
because that is 11. 13. So the only way out is if I keep the pencil diagonally. So I need to check. This is the longest. कि A पे रखा और G तक रखा ऐसे tilt करके रखा.
Yeah.
Okay. So you need to find the diagonal. Diagonal of a cuboid is A square plus B square plus C square.
Oh, so it's like there's a formula also for it.
Right. So you have to write down A is given, B is given, C is given, and in दोनों इनका आपको under root निकालना है.
I don't think this was in the textbook, right?
Actually took the diagonal of one of the squares, not from A to G. Would that still work? I took it from D to G. It would still fit.
How will you put it like this? Okay, that will also work. Okay. But ideally you should have taken it's how will you put it just on the one of the squares? It's still coming. 18.6. It will still work. Okay, it is you're keeping on one of the sides, one of the squares. But yaad rakhna, when the formula for a cuboid diagonal is a square plus b square plus c square ka under root. That's the diagonal of a cuboid. Clear?
Okay.
Okay. Next. Understood now? So all you need to do is under root of 8 square plus 11 square plus 5 square. Figure out the answer. If the value is greater than 13, then you will say yes, it will fit in. If your value is less than 13, then you will say no, it won't fit in. Okay? And what Trisha you have done is also absolutely correct because you're trying to fit in your pencil on one of the sides, right? Is एक side के diagonal पे या आपने वहां पे रख दिया. That is also an alternative way to do it. First way preferred would have been this, but if you've done that, that's also logical. Okay? Yes, Shamik, bolo.
So I have a doubt in the first question.
First question only.
I'm doing the question hai.
दो ही तो question है, पहले question में doubt हो गया. Okay.
Little bit. Second one is fine. I solved the second one, but like it's for graphs and such. Should I open it?
On at the center, right? So ये जो central angle होता है, ये हमेशा इसका double होता है. So if this is x, this is 2x. Okay. So if 2x is 162, then x would be how much?
162 divided by 2.
Which is 81. So this angle would be 81. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Once that is done, then आते हैं y पे. Okay. Okay. Another thing. Okay. Can you figure out how much is this going to be? These two. Can you figure out how much is this going to be quickly?
No, I don't know.
Hmm?
No, I can't figure it out.
Okay, so
Is 9 degrees?
कितना बेटा?
9.
9. Absolutely correct. क्यों?
You do 180 minus 162.
Because Kyra, this is very good, Trisha. This is OCD. It's a triangle.
Yeah.
So 162 plus this angle and this angle. That will be 2x. 162 plus 2x. अब मैंने 2x क्यों बोला? Because it's an isosceles triangle because these two are radii.
Okay.
So that's why it's an isosceles triangle. So the value. Okay. So and then you figure out 162 plus 2x. So that is, but it was not asked. But anyways, next is one theorem. I have a circle. And on that circle there is a chord. Okay. Now that chord is making an angle. Okay. And there is a tangent. So always remember that ye chord, this chord which I'm highlighting here, ye wala chord, this chord I'm just highlighting this once. ये जो chord आप देख रहे हो ना, इस chord पे there are two angles being made. एक ये वाला और एक ये. Touching this angle, if it is 30 degree, then even this will be 30 degree. This angle is between the chord and the tangent, right? and ये जो side है, this is the angle on that chord or at the circumference. So understood what all is going to be equal? What all is going to be equal? Did you understand that? I'll repeat. This angle between the chord and the tangent will be the same as this angle.
Okay.
Looking at this, can you
So
tell
y
me?
will be 81.
Look at this. Yes, y will be 81 because if this is 81, then this will be 81. Is it
Okay.
understood?
And then yeah.
This is 81. ठीक है. Can we figure out how much is this?
This would be 42 plus 81 and then 180
Minus कर देंगे.
addition.
And can I say that this, if this, whatever value you get here, z plus this angle, this z plus this angle will be 180 because it's a cyclic quadrilateral?
That would be 57. So
If this is 57, then this will be 123.
I don't get it how it's 120.
Because it's a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral का मतलब है a quadrilateral which has its four sides on the circle.
Okay.
That's a cyclic quadrilateral. And इसके जो opposite angles होते हैं, they are 120 degrees. So if this is A and this is B, so A plus B will be 180 degrees.
So that X wala area would be the same as the opposite of that C wala area.
X वाला होने के
This
लिए
here would be the same as this, right?
Correct, absolutely. Same as this, Nick. This and this, full A and full B, they have to make full A as in the angle part. This A.
That only.
Yeah, that much should be equal to 180 degrees. Not equal. They will not be equal. They will be, the total will be 180 degrees.
Yeah.
That's why if this was only this much was 81, you said this much is how much? 57, you said, right?
57.
यहाँ से यहाँ तक 57 है, and this Z will make a 180 degree.
180 minus 57.
180 minus 57. Got it?
Okay.
आ गया?
Auntie, in straight line graphs, we have only 7.1, 2, and 3. We don't have linear to non-linear and stuff.
Okay. नहीं है?
No.
Also. Okay, now the B part. Kaira. Tisha, even you have left this one. Explain why triangle PQR is similar to triangle PUT. PQR is similar to PUT. You know that this angle is going to be angle same as this angle, and this angle is going to be the same as this angle. Am I right? Why? Why? Because it's given this line. If you can look at this line here, this line and this line are parallel. And how do I know they are parallel? How do I know they are parallel? Do you see this arrow? That arrow tells me that they are parallel. Clear? So this line is parallel to this line. Hence, this angle is same as this angle. This angle is same as this angle. Hence, they are what kind of angles? Alternate. No, they are corresponding angles of a parallel line. So corresponding angles are equal. Hence, can I say by a similarity? By a similarity, triangle PTU is similar to triangle PRQ. Is it understood?
Yeah.
Done? Clear? Clear? Okay. PTU. So this is understood हो गया. अब आते हैं Kyra, I'm not able to hear you out, so I don't know if you've understood or not.
Yeah, yes, I've understood.
Understood? Okay, we'll move to the next part. It says, whenever we are doing similarity questions, it is very important to write the names properly. So it says triangle PQR is similar to triangle PUT. PQR, PQR. So P के corresponding होना चाहिए P, Q के corresponding होना चाहिए U, and R के corresponding होना चाहिए T. The naming is very important, and that's how we have named, so it's perfect. Now, once that is understood, then we know that the ratios would be PQ upon PU. How do I know that? You take these two, ye PQ and PU corresponding. That should be equal to, then you take the next part, QR and UT. So QR upon UT, that should be equal to PR and PT. PR and PT. Okay. Once this much is done, see what is given to you. You are given PT and TR. किसमें आ रहा है? आ रहा है ये हमारे किसी में? PT and TR. PT and TR. PT दिया है, but TR दिया है साथ में, not PR. So we have to understand this now. PT is given to us as, how much PT is? 4. And TR. Now let's do one thing here. We can write the PR part can be written in 2 parts. PT plus TR upon PT. PT and TR upon PT. PT is to TR. So full PR can be written as PT plus TR upon PT. यहाँ तक confusion है कोई? Any confusion up till here? No? Okay. PT upon PT plus TR upon PT. PT upon PT will be how much? PT upon PT 1. TR upon PT will be, TR upon PT will be, PT upon TR is 4 is to 3. So TR upon PT will be 3 upon 4. Right? So it becomes, what is the ratio? If you add it up, तो क्या बन जाएगा ये? 4 plus 3 upon 4, which is 7 upon 4. So I got the ratio for PR upon PT using the ratio of TR upon PT, right? I got 7 upon 4. Okay. अब उसने हमसे पूछा, find out PQ upon PU. So now we can easily find out if this is PQ upon PU. PQ upon PU is same as PR upon PT. So if this is 7 upon 4, then even this is 7 upon 4. But since it is asking PU upon PQ, so I'll just rotate, take a reciprocal of this and write the answer as 4 is to 7 instead. Is it clear? Clear हुआ? Kyra clear है? Shomik clear? Trisha clear है? And always remember that the areas are always in the ratio of the square of the sides. So यानी कि इनका square sides कैसे होंगे? If the triangle ratios are PQ upon PU, so अगर PQ is 7 upon 4, so the areas will be in the square. So 49 upon 16. That is how the area of the bigger to smaller triangle would be. So you can figure out the area of the smaller triangle. You can figure out from that. Is it understood? Is it understood?
Yeah.
We will complete this in the next class now. और इसमें कोई doubts है कायरा? और कोई doubts है? There are,
Or
I
maybe
still,
in the other paper or something.
other papers. Okay, so one second.